Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my live stream, guys. Woo! A big dump in the crypto market. We're going to get to those charts. We're going to talk about this dump. If you're tired of losing money from the markets, the crypto markets, definitely hit the subscribe button, because over here, guys, I only focus on making money. I don't care about buying the dips, guys. There's other ways to make money in this crypto markets or even other markets. Okay, buying the dips is a loser strategy, guys. And I want to shift your thinking and help you get out of this mess. Okay, so if you're tired of listening to these stupid YouTubers and you're tired of buying the dips, if you're tired of figuring out which way the market is going to go, hit this subscribe button, because over here I only talk about the facts, guys. Okay, and the facts is right in front of you. Okay, the facts is right in front of you. It's the chart. Okay, I am a professional day trader. I day trade Monday through Friday, the financial markets, crude oil actually, and also swing trade the crypto market. So if that's something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit that subscribe button, guys. During this live stream, of course, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. All right. So shout out to everybody that's watching that replay. You can actually speed it up by hitting 1.5 or 2. So let's get this party started. Let's see if I see people in the live stream. So let me pop this live stream out real quick, guys. What a mess. What a mess, guys. Blood in the streets everywhere. Pa, 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 pa. Guys, blood in the streets, guys. You see this? Blood in the streets, guys. Blah, 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 blah. Bombs everywhere. Gunshots everywhere. Bombs everywhere. Arms and limbs. And blood. And bodies on the street, guys. You see this? Welcome to my world, guys. Welcome to my world where anything can go. Anything can go, guys. Most people don't understand that the market doesn't have to have a reason for nothing. The market can do whatever it wants. Most people, the way they think in absolutes, right? They think in absolutes to the point where they swear up and down the market can't do this. You know how many people came on my live stream and say the market can't go below 6,000? And when I talked about the 3,000 mark, most people said the market can't go below or to that 3,000 mark. You know, so guys, you can't never talk in absolutes. You don't control the market, so you can't sit here and say that the market's not going to do this, the market's not going to do that. All right. You don't control the market. So welcome to my field, guys. Welcome to my field. Me personally, when I first started out, guys, I started out in the bear market, which was 2008. And that's when the stock market was crashing. Everything else was crashing. And basically, I had to learn too. All right, so that's what I'm trying to do, guys. I'm trying to help you out. I'm trying to say, hey, listen, guys, this looks familiar. Okay, I've been doing this for 11 years, so I'm like, guys, I don't like what I see. This looks kind of familiar, guys. Please, I beg you not to buy the dips. Okay, so you know, shout out to everybody that's here. Let me give you guys a round of applause, guys. Thank you, everybody, for sticking with me, because you know a lot of you guys really don't have to stick with me at all. But shout out to the guys that's willing to change your mind and stick with me. So let me see who's in the building. I'm not gonna go through the whole list because it seems like a lot of people's here. Kevin, Dom, AZ, John, Eric. Shout out to all you guys. Dan. Like I said, I'm not gonna go through the whole list, but shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate it. All right. If you guys have any questions, you know, type your questions in the chat box, guys, because This is what this live stream is about. It's about interacting with the viewers, okay? And I want to hear your guys' thoughts. I want to hear your guys' thoughts. What do you think? You think this is over? You think we going lower? You think this is the bottom? Tell me what you think, okay? Because I know some of you guys are confused or pissed off or mad or nervous. So tell me what you think, because right now, guys, you know, this is not new to me at all. Okay, welcome to my world, guys. All right, I've been trying to warn you guys for the longest. Been trying to warn you guys for the longest. Most people thought either I was talking, you know, garbage or whatever the case is. But trust me, guys, I understand how the bear market works. Okay, the bear market is here to make you bleed. The bear market is here to wipe you out, guys. You know, so let's look at coin market cap real quick. Right now is at 124 billion. Okay, we might actually go below the $100 billion mark, guys. We might go below that mark. All right, that is absolutely crazy. And you want to hear what's absolutely crazy too? We Bitcoin is at 66 billion, the market cap, and that's crazy, guys. All right, but I mean, you have to realize that Bitcoin is going down, but the reason why it has to go down because these other coins are not worth you know, this amount. So it is what it is, right? So let's go to the charts real quick, and I'm going to get to your guys' questions. If you're new to the chat room, if you're new to this live stream, and if you have any questions, just type in your questions because I will get to your questions. It might be a lot of questions tonight. I don't know. But we're definitely going to get this thing rolling. So let's see, guys. Let's see what's going on with the 4-hour real quick. So the 4-hour was basically a big dump, okay? Break out of that 6,000 level, okay, with a lot of volume, okay? Most people, especially the Moon Boys, was trying to say, oh, this could be a fake out breakout, whatever. Guys, no, okay? A fake out breakout doesn't continue to go down, okay? All right, so we consolidate just a little bit. Boom, okay? Now, notice, guys, that we are not consolidating for a long time, okay? I mean, this consolidation, November 14th, so this was like probably 3 days, right? And we dropped, okay? Again, another 3 days in the drop, okay? So these 3 days to 4 days in the drop. So these consolidations is really not that long no more, okay? Remember before the consolidations were for what? Was actually, what, 2 weeks or 3 weeks, 4 weeks, right? Remember that? Now these drops is just happening so quick. This market is taking a lot of people to the cleanest. Okay, to the cleanest. Bye. So what's good? What's good with the XRP? Okay, because you know, I actually made a video with I talked to my XRP, investors today. I made a video today talking to my XRP investors, and I was trying to talk sense to these guys. I was basically trying to tell them, hey, I understand that you love your coin. Okay, but XRP, it's not separate from the crypto market. Okay, I've been trying to, like, you know how many times I have a lot of trolls that come on my live stream telling me XRP this, XRP that. You remember people saying that XRP was stable? All right, I was basically going back and forth with people trying to tell them that XRP is not stable. Like, bro, where do you see stable? I don't see no stable at all. Okay? If you just zoom out, look at the overall chart, guys. It's going down. All right? So I've been trying to tell these XRP dudes that the market is bearish, so you have to accept that. All right? You can't just ignore that the market is bearish. You can't do that, guys. You can't. You can't. All right? And just like any other company, and like I said, I was talking about this in my last video. Like, for example, Amazon is a beast, okay? And it doesn't matter if Amazon is a beast, because if the stock market goes down, Amazon is going right down with the stock market, okay? So shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see if I see any questions so far. I'm going to try to go over these questions real quick. Dom said he was at work. You was in the bathroom setting up trades. Shout out to you. Dan said great stuff. Thanks. Yeah, shout out to you, Dan. Leonard said, how long do you think we will be in this bear market? All right. That question, believe it or not, when people ask me that, when I give them an answer, they don't believe my answer. Okay, I believe we're going to be in this bear market 5 years plus. Okay, so let me say that again: 5 years plus. Most people don't believe when I say that. Let me see here. What's good, bro? Al, what's going on, man? So like I said, I see some new people tuning in. So if you're new to this live stream, it's all about, me interacting with the viewers. So if you have any questions, because I know you have questions, okay? The market is dropping like a rock. So I know some of your guys' portfolio is down probably 80+%. And I have 11 years of experience. So guys, if you have any questions, just shoot them. I'm trying to answer these questions and trying to get back on track. Let me see. So I'm going through these questions right now. I'm going through them quick, trying to answer some good ones. Mark said, how low do you think Bitcoin will go in the time frame before it starts the bull run? Mark, shout out to you. I don't know if you're new to my channel. Shout out to you. The way I look at things, I don't care about a bull market the same way last year I didn't care about a bear market. Okay, so let me, hopefully let me try to make sense. Now, last year, okay, when the market was going up, okay, I didn't think about any bear market at all. I didn't say, man, when that bear market is going to come. No. Okay. I was just riding the waves, riding these waves. Okay. And now when we started to crash, I had to adjust. Okay. So for all you guys that's new to my channel and you hear me, talking like this, you might say, man, this guy sounds bearish. No, I'm not bearish at all. Actually. I'm actually a professional, okay, that does this full time. Okay, I make my money from the markets. Okay, and basically, as a professional, we always have to adjust to the different conditions. Okay, so when the market was going up, and then it started to crash, I had to adjust. Just go back. You can go back to my my early, my early videos, and you can see that. I was bullish this, bullish that, okay, XRP bullish, Litecoin bullish, Ethereum bullish, all that stuff, okay? But I had to change. I had to adjust because the market itself told me, okay, that, hey, bro, it don't look like we are in a bull market anymore, okay? And trust me, guys, I had a lot of people, curse me out, talk trash to me, all this stuff. But, at the end of the day, I don't care about that because, I make money from the markets. I don't care about people not agreeing with me. Okay. Now, me personally, I don't care when the bull market comes. Okay. The same way I didn't care last year about a bear market. Okay. When we was making profits last year, you think I said, man, when that bear market is going to come? No. Okay. And the reason why I don't care is because I know how to make money whether the market is going up or down. And that's what I suggest anybody that's looking at my or actually on this live stream right now. I suggest all you guys get to that level, okay? Because if you don't get to that level, you're gonna keep on asking when the bull market is going to come, okay? Now, no one knows when that bull market is going to come. Only thing I can say is stop looking for the bull market, because it's going to drive you crazy. The best thing to do right now is to study these markets, understand how it works, and basically try to make money in this current condition. Okay, and whenever that bull market comes, it comes. Okay, how low do I think Bitcoin will go? I don't know if that's one of your questions. I believe Bitcoin will go. I believe Bitcoin will go under 1,000. Okay, and the reason why I say that, I believe Bitcoin will go under 1,000. Okay, is because it's a number that most people are not thinking about. Okay, that's the number that's the number I have to have in my head. Okay, I don't care about the crowd. The crowd, most people think that 3,000 is the bottom. I don't care about that number. Okay, I'm thinking of a number most people are not thinking about. Okay, and most people are not thinking about under 1,000. So that's what I'm thinking. Okay, so let's go. I'm trying to read these comments. So you said, so for someone looking to get back into the market, when is your analyst saying the earliest that would be? I assume until 2019 is soonest. No, okay, no, I'm not saying 2019. Okay, honestly, I believe, I told you guys, you probably heard me already. I believe we're gonna have a 5 years plus bear market. All right, 5 years plus. All right. So me personally, I'm not looking for a bear market at all. I mean, bull market. Let me see here. XRP 19 cents. Yeah, XRP probably most likely is gonna go way lower than 19 cents. You said, where's the trolls at? I don't know. They probably, hiding somewhere. What's your bottom call on XRP? XRP can actually go to 1 cent. All right, 1 cent. And that's not even, that's not me calling the bottom. I'm just saying I can see XRP at 1 cent. Okay, or even 2 cents. Let me see. What is your bottom for crude oil? So I don't have a bottom for crude oil. Okay, I just trade the waves in the major direction. All right. Gonna need to copy Big Ben. Course is true life change. Shout out to you, Paul. T-Lok said, I'm hoping that Bitcoin resets to 0. That's funny. Yeah, you said in 3 years, basically Bitcoin might be dead. I hear that, bro. Somebody asked me, what do I think the market cap would be in 2030? I don't know. I try not to think that far. So I'm not too sure. Okay, I really don't know. JD said, you throwing out crazy numbers. Be realistic. XRP has a use case. I think 19 cents is the bottom. Nobody will sell below. JD, Okay, I am realistic. Actually, I'm probably the most realistic YouTuber that talks about crypto. Okay, when I first started this crypto channel, not this crypto channel, but talking about crypto, actually, I've been on the money. Okay, I've been making money, and I came out with a course this beginning of this year, I think, or the middle of this year, and my students been making money from that course. And basically, I've been calling this bear market for the longest. All right, most people laughed at me. They said that yo, bro, you're bugging. We're not in the bear market. And you know how many times people came on my live stream telling me that we will never ever go below 6,000. And then they would say we never ever go below 5,000. So JD, when you say that I'm throwing out crazy numbers and XRP will never go below 19 cents, that's just you and your feelings. Okay, I don't really care what most people think. All right. And check this out, JD. How about this? Okay, and this is what I tell everybody that claims, right? That people that talk in absolutes, right? This is what I tell everybody that talks in absolutes. All right, I tell them, hey, bro. Okay, when, like, for example, for the people that came on my live stream and they said that Bitcoin will never go under 6,000, I said, bro, okay, listen. If Bitcoin breaks this level and goes below 6,000, please don't leave. Like, come back. I want you to come back on my live stream and say, hey, man, you know what, bro, I was wrong. Okay? Even though it's not about being wrong or right, I just want you guys to come back, because most of you guys that always talk like, you know, this won't happen, that won't happen. When it happens, your guys disappear. So I want you guys to keep on coming back. All right? I'm not going to make fun at, you know, fun. I'm not going to make fun of you, okay? Now, let's go back to, you said XRP has a use case. That doesn't mean anything, JD. All right? I can go back and forth with you with the XRP thing, but, you know. Molly said, I work full time. Can I swing trade before? Yes. So Molly, I would say, let me see. I would say 90, matter of fact, 98%. 98% of the people, 98% of my students are working. Okay. So let me repeat that again. 98% of my students are working. So, the answer is yes. You can still swing trade while you go to work. So for you guys that are interested in this crypto course, during my live stream, I usually give you guys that 50% discount. So let me get that out of the way so I can continue to answer your guys' questions. Okay, so you know the original price is 300 right now, but I'm going to drop it down to 150. And this is only the live stream price, guys. Only the live stream price. So as soon as I get off this live stream today, okay, as soon as I get off this live stream, it's going right back to 300. A lot of people, it's funny because a lot of people be emailing me and say, yo, bro, how come the price is 300? I'm like, because that's the live stream price. So some of you guys miss out. Anyway, let's go back to these questions. If you have any questions in general, let me know. Crypto Diego said, you call it, bro. Shout out to you, Crypto. MK Kush said XRP is not a crypto. What about the miners at sub? JD, it doesn't matter about the miners, okay? Stop thinking about that, because you have to understand that's the same people that came to my live stream and say, bro, Bitcoin would never, ever, ever go below 6,000 because the miners. I'm like, bro, the miners don't even count. Like, most people don't understand. Like, Bitcoin started at what price Bitcoin started at, right? Let's say that Bitcoin started at $1, okay? So how come all of a sudden, if Bitcoin started at $1, okay, all of a sudden people can't mine under a certain number? Like, come on, that don't make any sense. These miners can mine at any price, Doesn't matter if they lose money or you know, it's going to be miners that make money, but it's going to be miners that probably it's probably going to be a waste of time to mine. Okay. Oh, let's see here. All right. Okay, so shout out to everybody that's here, man. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Let me see here. Somebody said Bitcoin 500. You know, we'll see. You know, right now I'm just thinking about under 1,000. Okay. Leonard said, I heard if Bitcoin goes below 1,000, it's pretty much done. What's confusing is that you have Fidelity and all these institutions open up custody solutions. Okay. Now, Leonard, let me explain something to you. Okay. Let me explain something to you. All right. I guess the best way I can say this is don't believe everything you read. Okay. So let me say that again. Don't believe everything you read, okay? Just because you heard Fidelity and these institutions was actually coming in crypto doesn't mean that they was actually really coming in crypto. It could have been a front just to put it out on, put it out in the public, just to get people hyped up. All right, guys. I know it sounds crazy. I know people are like, what is this guy talking about? Why would they do something like that? Guys, we live in a shady world. Like I said before, guys, most of you guys don't really understand how Wall Street works. These guys are slime balls. They will do anything to make money, okay? Most guys, I speak to a lot of Wall Street guys. They don't like crypto. Put it like that, all right? Put it like that. They don't like crypto. So trust me, they are not rushing to come in crypto. Let me see here. Let me read these questions here. This course is for trading crypto. No, this course right here is for swing trading. I have a day trading course that I actually I teach day trading the futures. Okay, I trade Monday through Friday. I day trade the crude oil. Okay, that's what you saw me. What is it today? I actually posted a video today. If you saw me make like $5,000, that's the video I post today. That's me day trading the crude oils. Okay, now that day trading course is separate from this. All right, and the day trading course is more than 150, but it will actually make you. The day trading course is actually for people that really want to take day trading to the next level and work for themselves at home, so they don't have to go to that 9 to 5. Okay. Let's see here. Let me see. And if you guys have any questions about that, definitely you can email me. But let me go to these questions real quick. XRP is the crypto market. It's why it's going down. Moonboy. Yeah, guys, it's crazy. All right. Dan said, get Ben's course. It's fantastic. Not only for trading, but also real life help understanding the market. Let me give you a round of applause. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. All right. And I gave you guys the link. All right. I don't know if I gave you guys the link, but basically like I told you guys, this price that you see right now is only for the live stream. It's just what it is. When I get off that live stream, it's going right back to $300. Now, let me go to these questions because I want to talk about more. I want to talk about Tron Vays real quick. And what else? I want to talk about a couple more things. I'm gonna talk about a couple more things. So let's talk about Tron Vays real quick because yesterday we was having a conversation, right? When I went live yesterday, okay, and yesterday we was talking about Tron Vays going long, okay, and I said to my live stream viewers, I said to myself, I can't believe that Tron Vays is actually going long right here, okay, and I had to question, is this guy really legit? Okay, because I said to myself, and I don't remember if you guys remember that, I'm like, why would someone that claims that they know what they're talking about go long right here? Why would you go long right here? What, you know, and basically his reasons was the social media was basically bearish. He said that we consolidated, we broke out, and we are consolidating right now. He said he don't see how we can actually make another leg down, okay? And I was just questioning, like, bro, what are you talking about, okay? And I don't know if you guys remember, but I said, you know, guys, I really believe, like, this, like, you don't understand, like, I believe this dude is about to get stopped out. Why would you go long right here? Like, why? Okay, so most likely this dude got stopped out. He done, right? He's done. Now, guys, it's very important who you follow on YouTube, guys. Okay, it's very important, guys, who you follow. Okay, because if you think about it, guys, if you hang around with losers, what do you think you're gonna be? You're gonna be a loser too, of course, because losers, they can't provide you no valuable information that will help you grow as a person. It's impossible. But I can bet you if you hang around 5 millionaires for a year straight, bro, that information that these millionaires share with you is going to rub off, and you're going to make money too. Okay? Just, you know, by default, just by just hanging out with these guys. So for your guys that's listening to these crazy YouTubers that claims that they make money, or they know what they're talking about, these guys are not the real deal, guys. They're not. All right? These guys, now, the thing with Tron Vays is he was actually bearish this whole way down this year, right? For the most part. So I can't really talk bad about Tron Vays, okay? He just actually made he made an emotional trade, okay? So I can't really talk bad about him because for the most part he basically been bearish. So, but I'm just talking about in general, these crazy YouTubers, right? That's why if you have a system, guys, if you have a system, you trade your system. Don't be emotional, okay? I believe he made an emotional trade, and it was based on his feelings, okay, guys? You never, ever, ever, ever make a trade based on your feelings. You're going to always lose. It's just what it is, okay? You might win sometimes here and there, but for the most part, you're going to lose, okay? This is why these moon boys are getting wiped out, guys. These guys that's been buying the bottoms. Yo, bro, please, I beg you, if you on my live stream right now and you're buying the dips, please, bro, please stop doing that. Oh my gosh, this market has a lot of room to go down. Stop buying the dips. Stop thinking that the bull market is coming next year. Stop it, bro. Stop it. Okay? And stop following these stupid YouTubers because they don't know what they're doing. They are not professionals, guys. You have to understand that this market right now, the bear market is brutal, guys. All right? Your guys for all you guys that are losing money right now, guys, in order to get out this mess, you need to seek professional help, guys. This is not something that you should be playing games like. This is not a game, guys. This is not a guessing game. This is your hard-earned money. This is your hard-earned money, guys. It's not a guessing game where you just, oh, well, I think 3,000 seems like a good number, so I guess I'm gonna buy there. No, guys, this is not about guessing. All right, so that's why it's very good to seek professional help. Okay, professionals that's making money consistently from the markets. Because if you don't seek professional help, you're just gonna be that guy that get wiped out. It's just what it is. Okay. Most of these YouTubers are not making money from the markets. It's just what it is. These guys just read the news. That's it. So let me see if I see any questions here. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. Shout out to you guys. All right. Let me see if I see any questions here. Because guys, you have to educate yourself. If you want to play with the big boys, guys. Okay. If you really want to compete with the Wells and these big players, bro, you have to educate yourself. You can't be that guy that's guessing, buying the dips just because some YouTuber told you to buy the dips, right? Some crazy teenager told you to buy a dip. Your favorite YouTuber or teenager told you to buy the dip, and you're gonna listen to him, and he's not even a professional? Come on, guys, you can do better than that. Come on, I know some of you guys are much smarter than that. Come on, guys. Stop the nonsense. All right, so let's go to these questions here. You said Bitcoin dropping again. No, XRP was dropping last time I checked. Let's see what XRP is doing. It looked like 35 cents, right? Yep, XRP is dropping. And this is exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, your favorite XRP dude telling you to buy the dips. All right. Let me see here. So let me go through these questions real quick because I am behind. Dom said Big Ben is the man, very clever guy. I'm glad that I got told him. Shout out to you, Dom. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Glenn, Crypto Diego, follow the course. You will make money. Shout out to you, Glenn. Thanks a lot. Andrew, Ben has been calling it all year. Wow. Shout out to you, Andrew. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Crypto Diego said, I bought the course. It's worth it. Shout out to you, man. Shout out to you. Let me give you that ka-ching button. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it, bro. Dan said, get the course. It's fantastic. Yeah, I actually read that already. Let me see. Let me go down these questions real quick. And guys, if you're new to the channel, if you're just tuning in, if you have any questions, type in your questions. Okay, I would definitely, get to your guys' questions. So type in your questions. I know you guys have some questions because I know some of you guys' portfolio is down a lot. So stop acting like you don't have any questions. Okay, I've been doing this for 11 years. Okay, so especially if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button because over here, guys, I'm only focused on making money. Okay, that's it. Forget about my fate. I don't, guys. I don't have no attachment to any coin. Okay, let me repeat that again, guys. Actually, let me hit that bomb button. Okay, guys, I have no attachment to any coin. Okay, I made that mistake when I first started out. I made that mistake, guys. I made that mistake. And once I made that mistake, I said to myself, I'm never, ever going to make that mistake again. All right? I'm never going to make that mistake again. I'm not going to be attached to anything, okay? No stock, no coin, no nothing. These coins don't love you back. These stocks don't love you back. If you lose money, you can't call up the CEO and say, yo, CEO, bro, what are you doing? The coin is down, man. Make this thing go up. You can't do that. JD said, one thing I have to say about the charts is, and charting is, they will only tell you the past. Monday morning, some event could happen. Market will rip your face off. JD, I'm sorry to say, bro, but you are absolutely wrong. Okay, the market. Basically, the charts basically will tell you a lot more than the past. Okay, if the chart didn't tell you, if the chart was just useless, okay, so that's basically what you're trying to say. All right, if the chart is useless, how come a guy like me that barely graduated from high school, never went to college, a guy like me that's actually making money full time from the charts, okay? I've been making money from crypto market, and I never, okay? You have to realize I never ever read a white paper in my life, and I made money from these cryptos, okay? To the upside and downside. So how is that? How is that? How a guy like me can actually make money when the market going up, when the market is going up, and when the market is going down, bro? All I'm doing is looking at the chart. So for you to say the market is going to rip your face off, that's just hope, bro. Okay? That's just hope. That's you basically wishing and hoping. Like that doesn't work in the real world, bro. Hope and wish and bro, that doesn't work. Let me see here. Tom Lee said 50K by the end of this year. The guy smoking. Yes, Tom Lee's. Will XRP have a small bounce before it go further down? Because I bought XRP at 45 cents. Now I want to sell ASAP before it dump more. Honestly, Miss XRP, I'm gonna keep it real. I'm gonna keep it real with you, bro. I'm sorry. I'm gonna keep it real with you. It says Miss, so I know you're not a bro. I do apologize. Okay. I'm gonna keep it real with you, Miss XRP. All right. I think it's a wrap. Okay. XRP is going to continue to go down, I believe, and it's probably going to go lower. Okay. The low this year probably, I think it was around 24 cents. So yes, I believe it's going to go way below 24 cents. Okay. So at the end of the day, it's up to you what you want to do. But me personally, if I was holding XRP, I would be out. Okay. It is what it is. Just how it is. Shout out to Dom. Dom hit me with that $4.99 super chat. Let me read that. Ben has been on the money all year round. You're the man, sir, and I'm glad that my favorite YouTuber recommend you. Congrats on 6.3 subscribers. What YouTuber recommends you? I want to know that, because I don't know what YouTuber is actually watching me right now. But shout out to you, bro. Let me give you a round of applause. Who knew? Miss XRP never sells when you are in loss. It's like you need to pay $100 to pay 1,000. Honestly, who knew? That's not good advice. Okay, all right. That's not good advice. You can sell if you want to, okay? Because you have to understand, who knew, XRP has a lot of room to go down. So you can't tell people not to sell, okay? You can't tell people that, all right? Let me see. Adam, what's going on, bro? The rich people think completely different than the poor people. Let me give you that bomb for that. And that's 100% true. Yeah, Mixed XRP, please do not listen to Who Knew. Please. He, guys, let me Miss XRP, if you're still here, okay, let me okay, tell you something, okay? Don't ever listen to a stranger on the internet, okay? Unless that stranger proves to you that he does this full time, okay? I have multiple videos on my live stream, on my channel. Just click on my channel. Multiple videos of me trading live with live money, making money, okay? I've been calling the bear market way before people have been calling the bear market. So don't ever listen to strangers on the internet unless they proven to you, or prove themselves that they are worthy, okay? Please. If you want to sell, if you feel like you want to sell inside, you do whatever you want to do, okay? Don't ever listen to guys that's average, all right? And I'm not saying that who knew is average, but I'm just guessing if he's telling you to not sell, I'm guessing he's not a full-time investor or trader that makes money consistently. All right, and no knock on you who knew. I'm not trying to talk down or anything. I'm just saying that I don't like when people try to damage someone. Okay, that's basically, it's almost the same when someone tells someone to buy the dips. Like I really care about people to the point where I will, bro, get upset. Not really get upset, but, be pissed off about, someone telling someone something that's bad. Okay, that's bad. That's bad advice, telling someone to buy the dips. That is bad, bro. I don't want innocent people to lose money. I just don't. I don't want that. All right. Let's see here. XRP going to 10 cents right now. Well, XRP is going probably below 10 cents. When? I don't know when, but it is what it is. I'm reading these questions right here, so give me a second, guys. All right. Would Bitcoin bottom at 1,500 from endless downwind? Blah blah blah. I can't support. Gospel. No one knows when Bitcoin is going to bottom. Okay, so me personally, I don't care when Bitcoin bottoms. Okay, I was talking about this earlier. Okay, honestly, you shouldn't worry about when Bitcoin is going to bottom. The reason why you shouldn't worry about that, because you, as an individual, should be learning a lot about the markets while we're in a bear market, because you can actually make money right now. Okay, so I guess let me say this, a little bit, I guess let me rephrase this and say it. Let me go to Bitcoin real quick. Oh man, I don't know what's going on with my I don't know why I can't go to Bitcoin real quick. All right, so this Bitcoin. All right, so check this out. Imagine you just, let's say that you decided to wake up, right, and you now know how to trade the markets. Imagine you shorten the market and making money from this whole down move, right? Let me ask you a question. Would you think about the bottom? No, you wouldn't think about the bottom, because you're making a killing while the market is going down. Okay, so that's why this is what I'm trying to help you guys realize, bro. Forget about the bottom. I mean, no one knows the bottom. Like, you can be the best technical analysis guy out here, and you still don't know the bottom. All right. Honestly, 1,500 to me is not the bottom. I believe it could go below 1,000. Ben, Vays are the only YouTubers. Shout out to you, bro. What's the difference between day trading and swing trading? Swing trading is actually when you are dealing with the daily chart and pretty much the 4-hour chart for the most part. And you're basically holding overnight. Okay, so let's say that, for example, let's say I took this short right here on Bitcoin, and let's say I held it for at least 2 to 3 days. Okay, that's called a swing trade. Okay, swing trades usually last for I would say no more than 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Okay, sometimes you can have a swing trade for more than a month, but for the most part, swing trades are they pretty much last for a week or two. A lot of them last for, especially when you have, conditions like this where the market just flowing like this, it will probably last for a day or two. Now, day trading is when you actually go during the day, okay, and you trade in the small times, like you can the small time frames. You can trade the 1 minute, the 3 minute, the 5 minute, and you basically are going in and out the market, and you're not holding anything overnight. Okay, so when you take a trade, you're just basically making money from the trades, but after the trading session is done, you're not holding anything. Okay, that's why I love day trading, because day trading, I don't have to hold anything overnight. Okay, I don't have to sweat and get nervous about my position, because a lot of people, I don't care what no one says, a lot of people are nervous right now. Okay, nervous, especially if you bought at the top. You're nervous right now. Okay, with day trading, you don't have to be nervous, because you don't hold anything overnight. You just make your money during the day, and boom, you're done. You can go out on the beach or whatever you want to do, hang out with your friends, hang out with your wife, whatever you want to do. Okay, and I do have a class on that. If you just email me if but if you have the crypto course, that's available too. That's about swing trading. All right, so let me go through this. Shout out to Dom giving me that super chat again. I'm gonna get to your super chat, Dom. I'm just trying to make sure that, because I think I skipped over a couple of things. Okay, so JD said, I have a feeling that December starts rip your face off. So I don't know, you might be trolling, JD. I think you're trolling, but the key word on your in your sentence is feeling. Okay, you have a feeling. Okay, if you go on my channel and you see me making money, it's never based on feelings. Okay, it's based on a proven strategy. Actually, every business that makes money, McDonald's, Burger King, Facebook, any business that actually makes money consistently, they have a strategy in place. Okay, it's not based on, I have a feeling inside, oh my gosh. No, it's not based on that. It's not based on any feelings. Okay, so you can keep your feelings to yourself. How about that? Let me see here. Don, please hit that ka-ching button for the Moon Boys. Yeah, let me hit that ka-ching button for the Moon Boys. Shout out to you. Shout out to everybody that's making money. And I want to give everybody a round of applause. Everybody that's basically decided to wake up. Okay, all you guys that decided to wake up, let me give you guys a round of applause, because a lot of you guys, save money, or it's a couple of things you did. You either save money this year, or you saved and you made money at the same time. Shout out to all you guys that's willing to that's willing to open up your mind, because most people are lost. Okay. All right, here. You said that you bet crypto or Russ is still saying buy the dips. Exactly. Ridiculous. Randy's making money. And shout out to Dom. Thanks a lot, Dom. Again, Randy makes some money. I didn't see that, but shout out to Randy. Let me, hit that ka-ching button if you're making that money. All right. Let me see here. Businessman said Tone Vays was wrong. Yeah, I mean, we talked about that yesterday. I told you guys that I felt like he was going to get stopped out. Okay, like I said, I think he traded based on his feelings. It wasn't strategy at all. Paul said Big Ben is legit. Tony is full of. That's funny. So Tastis must be all year lows. I don't know. Who knew said it's okay, Ben. I'm not a full-time investor. I hodl most and trade a bit. Yeah. Like I said, who knew? I'm not, taking shots at you. I'm not trying trying to, diss you or anything like that. I'm just very passionate about people actually losing their hard-earned money. So I don't want anybody on my watch to lose money. It's just what it is. Okay. Bruno said, "Did you make 5,000 from 400 from 500 yesterday?" No. My risk was $500, okay? So I risked $500 to make 5,000, okay, in 39 minutes, okay? And that's what I do full time. I day trade the crude oils, okay? If you want to learn more about that, just email me. But yeah, I risked $500 to make 5,000. Now, do I have $500 in my account? No, I have more than that, okay? Let me see here. The problem with TA is this isn't a stock as value falls. The problem with you is you don't want to learn, okay? It is what it is, because technical analysis work fine in the crypto market. Short squeeze is coming. Okay, JD. Yeah, you're definitely a troll. You're definitely a troll. Definitely. So Ben, so Ben, if it goes below, if it goes to 1,000, would you buy? No, I'm not buying. Because I don't buy the bottom. I don't. That's gambling. Okay, I would never buy the bottom. The same way I would never sell the top. The market has to convince me and show me confirmation that it's the bottom. Okay. And if you guys don't know what confirmation looks like, I can show you guys later. I showed you guys multiple times, especially yesterday. Let me see. Do you think it's a better idea to day trade Bitcoin or XRP? No, because when I talk about day trading, I'm talking about doing it for a living. Okay, I don't trust these. I don't trust these exchanges like that. Okay, so if I'm dealing with crypto, me personally, all I would do is just swing trade it. Okay. Now day trading it. No, I don't. I'm not going to do it because I don't trust these exchanges. I believe one day we all might wake up and every exchange is going to be frozen. You can't get your money out of it. Okay, that's because everything is unregulated. Okay, I put it like this, guys. When you trade for a living and you pay mortgage, you pay basically bills. You go on vacation. You buy the things that you want. There's no way in the world I would risk my hard-earned money, you know, in the crypto market, full time, like that. So you know, I definitely swing traded, but day traded, no. You know, and plus, day trading cryptos to me, it's not even all that. There's way better markets out here to day trade, you know, than crypto. You know, like the crude oil or the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq or the Dow. Okay, those markets are way better than the crypto market, day trading wise. Okay, day trading wise. The trend is your friend. Yes, you are 100% correct. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, all right, if you have any questions, because I know some of you guys portfolios are down, so don't sit here. Don't sit here and act like you don't have any questions. If you have any questions, I'm gonna get to your question. Okay. Definitely. Type in your question. So what is this? So this guy said, learn from you. Software engineer, scope, zoo. Yes. So this guy must be, he must be a troll that is losing money. Okay. Because there's no reason why a person will be mad at another person. Okay. First of all, I'm not the reason why you're losing money, and I'm not the reason why the market is going down. Okay. So I can tell that you are upset that you are losing money. Okay. And second of all, you know, I just don't get your whole comment. So let me see. Miss XRP, Ben, I'm going to sell my XRP. Okay. Do you think XRP will have a small bounce up a few cents in this dump or soon? So let me give you, you said, do I think XRP will have a small bounce? Okay. Now, that is very hard to say. The way it looks right now, I don't see no small bounce because my thing is, guys, what's today? If I'm not mistaken, today is Saturday, right? So usually, if you notice, usually, especially lately, the crypto market, they don't sell on the we don't get crazy volume during the weekend. So if the weekend is selling off like this, imagine next week. So you know, it's a possibility tomorrow we might have a green bar, but it's to the point. I guess my point is, would you want to risk that? Okay, because tomorrow might not even be a green bar. It might be a red bar. Okay, because the way XRP looks like it's doing, it looks like it's trying to just keep on going down. Okay, it's gonna probably do some type of sneak attack and just continue to go down, or we might bounce. We might bounce from maybe a certain level. It's a possibility. Miss XRP. It is a possibility we can bounce, but that's going to be very hard to tell where we're going to bounce. Okay, it's going to be hard to tell where. And I don't know, me personally, if I was holding XRP, I don't know if I would risk waiting for a bounce. Okay, the bounce that you're probably waiting for, you might get it below 23 cents. So, like I said, at the end of the day, it's up to you what you want to do. I have multiple students that sold all their crypto already. Okay, and they, trust me, guys, you don't understand. I have people that sold their crypto and they are thanking me like, bro, I am so happy that I met you. You know, you saved me so much money. Okay, because you have to think about it, guys. There's people that bought at the top. Do you know any exchanges for day trading other than crypto? Bruno, I don't know what you mean by that other than crypto. I day trade the futures market. So if you're talking about that, let me know. I day trade the futures market, which is a regulated market, which I feel safe putting my money in, okay, because it's regulated. Okay, remember, I do this full time, so I can't really play around like that. All right, I can't play around like that. So I don't know exactly what you mean. I like, you know, Okay, do you go over markets best? Do you go over what markets are best for day trading in your course? Okay, so let me explain to you guys. Okay, this course right here is not the day trading course. Okay, this crypto course right here is strictly about swing trading, the crypto market. I don't like day trading in the crypto market because, first of all, it's too wild for the day trading because especially when the crypto market is not doing anything. Like, for example, if you look at this whole stretch right here, okay, you see how little these ranges are. The crypto market wasn't doing anything. Imagine if you day traded this market, you pretty much lose all your money. Okay, you wanna day trade markets that's moving pretty good. Now lately, yes, we've been moving good because we've been dropping, but me personally, I don't like crypto for day trading. I only like it for swing trading. Okay, so that's why this course is only strictly about swing trading. Now I have another course, which is way more than this because it's going to show you secrets that's allow you to make 6 figures and above. Okay, it's actually going to allow you to you know, once you get good at it, allow you to quit your job. Okay, and that's what I want you guys to do. And that's going to show you what markets to trade. Okay, my day trading course, I strictly talk about the crude oil market. Okay, and I talk a little about a bit about the S&P market. All right, let me see here. The trolls out angry. Yeah, been not trolling, just keeping it honest, bro. Do not send out email alerts to trade. Do you send out email alerts to trade your service? No. The reason why I don't send out email alerts because when you day trading, it's hard to send out alerts. Now, if you're talking about swing trading right here, no, I don't send out alerts at all. Okay, because it's not going to make you a better trader if I send out alerts. I can do that. Trust me. I thought about it. I thought about, you know, having a service where a monthly service where I send out alerts. I thought about it, but it's not going to make you a better trader, bro. You're just going to rely on me. Okay, hit the subscribe button, guys. What went? Wow, are we going to hit 2,900? I believe we're going to go way below 2,900. When I believe we're going to go way below 2,900. All right. Shout out to Randy. He said he just bagged another $75 from XRP, guys. Let me give Randy that bomb button. Let me give him a round of applause too, guys. Randy been very patient, guys. He been back and forth with different exchanges, and he finally found an exchange that he's dealing with right now, and he's making money. So I'm proud of him, man. I really am proud of Randy. Let me give him that bomb button. Okay, and Randy's actually one of my students, guys. He bought the. Randy actually bought the crypto course, so he's one of my students and he's making money. Okay, and you will see during my live streams multiple students making money from the markets. Okay, for you guys that buying the dips, guys, please stop it because you're wasting your money. You see Randy is making money instead of losing money because he's not buying the dips, and the reason why he's doing that because he decided to say, you know what? I'm not a professional. I rather seek professional help. All right. And I rather learn from a person that's doing this rather than listen to a guy that claims he knows what he's talking about, but he's been wrong the whole year. And now he's making money from the markets because he's not listening to the average Joe. Okay. He's doing what the rich is doing. Okay, the rich is, you think the rich is saying, hey man, I'm buying right now. No, bro, they selling. They making money from on the downside. Okay, now Miss XRP, are you still on my live stream? Miss XRP, are you still on my live stream? Because I know that you asked me you know, is XRP going to bounce from here? And if you look at XRP looks very heavy. Looks like it's selling off like crazy. I don't know if you're still in my live chat, Miss XRP. Okay, you still here? Okay. Are you watching XRP? It looks like it's dropping like crazy. What do I think about the pooroptionsellers.com? I don't know. I never heard of that guy. Really, never heard of that guy at all. All right. You know, and people, people is funny because most people that you know, are losing right now, they want to blame everyone else. Okay, they want to blame Craig Wright. They want to blame Back for delaying. Right? You know how many people got mad? Guys, I wish I had screenshot so many comments. People got mad because Back delayed. Got delayed. You know, people blame all the manipulation, all that stuff, guys. And, you know, the one person that they don't blame is themselves. You need to start owning up and blame yourself. Okay? Blame yourself. Take full ownership and say, you know what? It's me. That's the reason why I'm losing money is because of me. Okay? No one else. And once you do that, then you can realize, man, I have the power to not only lose money, actually I have the power to make money, okay? Because I'm here to tell you guys that I lost a lot of money too, all right, in the bear market, right? I lost a lot of money over my whole career, okay? Like I said, I told you guys, over $85,000. But the thing with me, you know, I didn't stop. I didn't say, hey, man, you know, I'm going to quit. No, I didn't quit, all right? I kept going. I blamed myself for losing money. I didn't blame the market. I didn't say, hey, market, why are you taking my money? No, I didn't blame the market. I blamed myself. And that's what you guys need to do. You need to blame yourself because most of these trolls that come on my live stream, they get mad at people like me and other people that saying that we in the bear market, okay? Guys, if I'm saying that we in the bear market, why are you getting mad at me? The chart is telling you that we in the bear market, and it is what it is. I'm not bringing the market down, right? The bear market is designed to make you bleed. And guys, I told you that we didn't hit that stage yet. Okay, we didn't hit that stage yet. Right now, it's starting. Okay, we are definitely in the second stage of the bear market. Okay, but I still believe we have a lot to go. I still believe we have a lot to go to the downside. So let me read these questions. Let me see if I see any questions here. Miss XRP said, yes, it's sad. Yes. And you are 100% correct. You are 100% correct. All right. It is sad. Okay. And I'm going to tell you the reason, another reason why it's sad, because you have YouTubers out here hyping things up. Okay. That's what makes it sadder. Okay. That's what makes it real sad, because you have people that don't care about the general public. They don't care about human beings. I really don't understand how these guys go to sleep. I really don't. Okay, these YouTubers know deep inside, they know they are not buying the dip. They are not buying the dips, but they telling you to buy the dips. Okay? They telling you that XRP is the best coin out here and is going to $5 by the end of this year. You know how many times I read or saw videos saying XRP is going to go to $3 or $5 or $10 by the end of this year. And I just shake my head, because I know that it's going to be very hard for XRP to hit those numbers because we are in the bear market. Okay, a bear market doesn't stop and reverse just like that. Okay, it takes time. It takes time to heal because that's what's going on, guys. The market is healing right now. It's hurting and it's basically in the process of healing. And in order for it to complete, we have to wipe out most of these coins that are overvalued. Okay, most of these coins are useless. Come on, guys. Let's be serious. You know, are we using these coins back and forth? No. Okay, so these coins are useless. A lot of them shouldn't be worth, you know, these prices. So this whole crypto market has to level out. Okay, so that's why you're seeing markets. This market is dropping. Now look at XRP. XRP looks very heavy, so it looks like it definitely looks like it's trying to go either probably to the 30-cent mark or below. Okay, it looks heavy. And the crazy part about this is the weekend, guys. Usually we don't sell off on a weekend. So imagine next week. Next week might be bloody. Okay, and I told you guys we might have a 2-week sell-off. Okay, and that's very possible. Okay, or next week might be a rebound week. We will see. It might rebound next week because we've been selling off a lot. So we might get a little bounce next week. But don't be surprised if we do have another week where we just sell off. Okay. Because the market knows that most people are trying to buy the dips. That's why I tell you guys, stop buying the dips. Because the market knows you're buying the dips. The market wants to screw you. The market wants to take your money. Okay? Now, let's go back to these stupid YouTubers, all right? These YouTubers, especially these XRP YouTubers, the reason why it's sad because they hype things up. So as an XRP investor, your guys, I'm quite sure your guys, dreams and hopes are very big, okay? Because you have XRP YouTubers that would say XRP would never fail. It's impossible. It has a use case, blah, 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 okay? They will tell you every reason why XRP will go to the moon. And I'm here to tell you guys, just go back to my last video, the last video that I made, all right? I talked about this. Okay, these YouTubers are very smart. They know what they're doing. Okay, and the stuff that they're doing is basically it's trapping you guys. Okay, it's a trap. Okay, it's a trap, guys. They know that if they fill your head up with hope, you will continue to come to their videos. You will continue to get happy or be happy. Meanwhile, these guys are telling you to buy the dips and they're not buying the dips, right? Guys, it's a trap, okay? It's a trap because they are giving you hope on purpose because they know that if they don't give you hope, they're going to lose subscribers. They don't want to lose subscribers. You know how many people unsubscribe from me? And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with people unsubscribing to me because I don't make my money from this, okay? But they are trapping you because what they would say is, you know, hey, the guys, don't worry, don't panic. You know, they will make videos like that. Guys, don't worry, don't panic. Okay? We've been through this before. This is the words that they are using. Right? And what they would do is read news to you. Hey guys, I have another a good news story. You want to hear it, guys? You want to hear my news? Okay, let's read it right now. Let's read my news. Okay? So this trap that they set for you guys is an ongoing trap because they know that most of your guys are so deep in losses that any good news will make you feel better. Okay, so let's say that you're down 80% right now. If you hear good news, trust me, it's gonna make you feel better inside. And they know that. Okay, so they will keep on giving you good news. Okay, they will keep on telling you, guys, don't worry. Okay, everything's gonna be fine. Just be patient. They will tell you keep on buying the dips. They would say XRP has a use case. It will never fail. Blah blah blah. All right. And all this is a trap. It's a hope trap. Okay. It's a hope trap. It's the same strategies that these politicians use. They give you hope. Meanwhile, these guys are not really. They don't really care about you. Okay. And this is why I try to. I'm hard on you guys, and I'm trying to help you guys say, forget about hope, forget about the ETFs, forget about BAC, forget about Wall Street, forget about all that stuff, guys. You have yourself. You have yourself. God gave you gifts. God gave you a brain, so use it. Okay, use it. You are lucky to be alive right now. All right, you're lucky to have access to the internet. A lot of people don't even have access to the internet. Okay, a lot of people are in crazy situations where they don't even know if they're going to eat tomorrow. You have people starving. They don't even know they're going to eat tomorrow. Okay, so you guys are blessed. You guys have brains. Use it. Okay. How I got out of my situation is I decided to study the rich, guys. That's how I got out of my situation. I was losing money like crazy in the bear market. Okay. And I started to realize, bro, these guys are making so much money to the downside. Like, I forgot the guy's name. Man, it's a guy. I forgot his name, but this guy made billions short in the market. Okay, so you guys really have to understand that the rich is playing a different game than you. Right? These stupid YouTubers are going to tell you to buy the dip every single time. All right, this is the trap. I told you guys, it's a trap. Every single day, month, these guys will put out, hey, is this the bottom? Because they know you are going to watch it because you are down. Your portfolio is down, and you need some type of hope to say, man, I hope this is the bottom. Man, I hope, we're gonna moon soon. Guys, I don't want you to be trapped like that. That's a messed up feeling inside. And these guys know what they're doing. They know that you guys want that. You want that information. You want to see, is this the bottom? You want to see good news. But I'm here to tell you, bro, good news is not going to help you. Proof is in the pudding. Look at the market, guys. You've been good. XRP been getting good news this whole year, and it's going down like crazy. Stop letting these guys fool you, saying that XRP is different than any other crypto. It's not. All right. If you look at Amazon, I said this earlier, Amazon is a beast. But guess what, guys? If the stock market goes down and crash, guess what? Amazon is going to crash too. Doesn't matter how good Amazon is. It's going to crash. So stop thinking XRP is some crazy coin that's going to separate from the market. No, guys. If the market's crashing, XRP is going to crash too. Okay? This is how it works. I don't make up the rules. Learn the rules. Learn how the market works. And you guys will be okay. Like I said before, you got brains, guys. You got brains, so use it. You will be okay. Imagine, guys, imagine if you sit here and study the market, study the charts. Imagine where you can be 3 months from now, 4 months from now, 5 months, a year from now. You'd probably be, a better trader than most people in the crypto market, making money. Most of my students never traded before in their lives. A lot of them made money a couple of weeks later, months later. So you guys really don't have any excuse. Stop with these excuses, guys. 2019 is coming up real soon. I hate these excuses. But, man, forget about but. Goodness gracious, like, this is ridiculous. Let me see here. They say that bat got stabbed. That's funny. That's funny. Is the discount code for your program? Is there a discount code for your program? So this program that you see right now in front of you, it is the discount, okay? You know, you probably missed it. The original price is $300. I actually changed it to $150 right now. So when I get off this live stream, it's going back to $300. Okay, so that is the discount price. You don't have to enter in a discount code or anything. So when you go to this page, the 150 is going to show up. Okay, so you don't have to enter in anything. Okay, now if you want to get the day trading course, it's going to be more than this. All right, and you have to email me for that. What do I think about the Dow and the S&P? I love it. You can make a lot of money from it. I don't know exactly what you mean by, you know, what I think about it. Do I think it's going to crash? Let me know what you know what you're trying to say. I'm trying to go through these questions real quick. BSV, I don't know. 3,700 support level. No. I'm not looking for no support levels at all. Because every time you think the support level is here, it's not here. And also, guys, don't get fooled, because Bitcoin, what Bitcoin could do is actually have a green bar, okay, and people are going to swear up and down that's the bottom, okay, guys. Do not be that guy, okay. Do not be that guy. Every time you see a green bar, you saying it's the bottom. Please. You guys have been calling the bottom the whole year. Stop it. Mike D must be a XRP holder, because he can't stand what I'm saying. Is XRP going to retrace? I don't know, bro. You know, it's very hard to say, because we're going down a lot. Okay. Mikey Diamond says, I'm up 6,000% since learning from Ben. Let me give him a bomb. So for you guys that are curious and, you know, second guessing me, just go listen to my listen to my students. Okay, Mikey Diamonds is actually one of my students. Randy, that's making money from XRP, he's actually one of my students. Most of these guys, a lot of these guys on here are my students. So I'd rather these guys talk for me, because it's better, okay? Because these guys are proof. He said he's up 6,000% since learning from me. Let me give him a round of, actually, let me give him a ka-ching button and a round of applause. Alrighty here. What's the bottom price? There's no bottom, Sean. There's no bottom at all. Oh, matter of fact, I read that wrong. You said, what's the Bitcoin price? I don't know what you mean by that. All right. Anzi, what's going on, Anzi? All right. I just want to thank you again for making me realize that the truth about the crypto market before it was too late. Thanks, bro. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. All right. And let me give you that bomb button. Because most people thought I was crazy. Most people thought I was crazy when I said, if I was holding any cryptos, I would be selling everything, okay? And this is when I was at the 6,000 mark, okay? Most people say, yo, bro, what do you think I should do? I said, yo, I can't give you no financial advice. That's number one, okay? But if I was holding cryptos, I'd be selling everything, okay? And I get a lot of emails and say, hey, bro, I'm glad that, I found your channel because I sold all my cryptos. And I'm glad I sold my cryptos because I would be down so much. Imagine, guys, if you met me. You wouldn't be down this much right now. You guys have been saving a lot of money. Yeah, buy the dips. Okay. Imagine me buying the dips. Crypto market is a clown show. You said crypto market clown shows now. Yeah, man, it is. Okay. So, guys, I appreciate you guys stopping by. If you guys have any more questions, let me know. If you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the likes because you know, you guys are here, so you might as well hit the likes. You know, your finger is not gonna fall off, guys. So hit the likes, hit that subscribe button if you're tired of losing money. If you're tired of listening to these crazy YouTubers that claim that the market is gonna go up every single month, right? Every single month. Oh, guys, this is the bottom. I see it. Don't you see that inverse head and shoulders? Don't you see that double bottom, that triple bottom? Don't you see it, guys? This is what they say every single time, right? Stop buying the bottoms, guys. There's no bottom. How about that? There's no bottom. That's what you have to, you know, you have to tell yourself. There's no bottom. Most people swore up and down that Bitcoin would never, ever go below 6,000. And then they swore up and down that 5,200 was holding. And then we are at 3,600, guys. Come on, man. Like, are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Are you seeing this sell-off right here? It looks like we are going to go lower than this. We probably going to hit that 3,000 mark real soon. Probably going to hit that 20. And guys, for you guys that are new to my live stream, my first target, okay, I have it circled right here, okay? My first target is under this swing right here, okay? This swing is around 2,900, 3,000, okay? So that's my first target. That doesn't mean that's the bottom. It's just first target. Anzi said a lot of people in denial about crypto is going down. Hard to hear that, but it's true. Yeah, I know. You know, it is what it is. They, you know, they don't want to hear it. But they are hurting themselves. Okay, they're hurting themselves. Because if you're down and you're losing money, and you don't want to accept that you're losing money, and also accept that you are, or accept that you don't know what you're doing, you basically hurting yourself. Okay, shame on you. Shame on you if you don't want to learn more. Shame on you. Okay? Shame on you, because life is about growth, guys. Life is about growing. Because I still don't understand how some of these moon boys don't want to learn how the market in the chart works. Like, I don't get it. Wow, you know, if you're really trying to make money from this market, why just stop? You know, why would you just only buy and hold and that's it? I don't get it. Most people are lazy. It's just what it is. All right. Shout out to everybody that's on this live stream. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks a lot, though. Thanks a lot for stopping by. I appreciate it. Okay. And for you guys that's buying the dips, please stop it. All right. Stop acting like you know it all, because you don't. I told you guys, if you guys, you know, what, pretty much a guy that, you know, because I actually said this in my last stream, okay? Because most people swear they know it all, okay? But you don't, because if you did, you guys would be chilling, working for yourselves, making money. You guys are doing it backwards. You listening, your favorite XRP dude, or your favorite Litecoin dude, these guys don't do this full time. You guys are doing it backwards. You can't learn from the people that's on your same level. You can't. Stop it. I don't get why some of you guys want to lose money. I just don't get it. Why? Why would you want to lose money for? I don't get it. If you listen to a loser, guess what you're going to do, guys? You're going to lose. 98% of you crypto YouTubers been saying buy the dips the whole year. These guys are losers. So guess what, guys? If you hang around with losers, what results do you think you're gonna get? You're gonna lose if you hang around with losers. It's just what it is. I'm not trying to be harsh or anything. I'm just trying to give you guys tough love. I don't want to see you guys lose. All right. Now you know when things is bad when Bitcoin is crashing on a weekend. Like now you know things is bad because Bitcoin should be no volume, slow, It is crazy right now. I mean, the fireworks is out, guys. The bombs is dropping. That's why I couldn't believe, guys is pretty much trying to pick the bottoms. What comes down has to come back up. I don't know what that means, Brian, but good luck with that. Okay. Let me see here. I guess it's time to buy me XRP with salsa dip. If you bought all the dips, that's another thing. If you buying the dips, that means that you don't have no more money right now. That's why I know these clowns are not buying the dips. These guys are telling you to buy the dips, but they're not buying the dips. Brian, what is included in your file 150? Basically showing you can go on this page and it will basically show you everything. Okay, how to enter, how to exit, where to put your all this stuff. Okay, where to put the stop loss, 6 levels of investors, how to read the chart properly. So many stuff like we talk about the market cycles, how to identify the trend. Basically, it will show you how to become a professional, how to make money from the markets, whether it's going up or down. I have dozens of testimonials, so you can just check it out. You don't understand, Ben. You're the best. Shout to you, crypto. If not buy the dips, when to buy? Okay, now that's a better question. Okay, that's a better question. Even though I'm not, I wouldn't be buying at all, but that's a better question. Well, basically, you buy when you see confirmation from the market itself. So the market is telling you, hey, there's life. And it looks like we are going to start another bull market. That's when you buy. If you look at this whole year, we have not been making higher highs. We've been making lower lows. And we've been dropping like a rock. Okay? Where do you see any type of signs that the bulls was here this year? You don't see it. So you have to wait for signs. Stop trying to pick the bottom. That's not a good strategy. You're going to lose. It's just how it is. You said videos like one-on-one help or just reading? No, this is all my courses are videos. So this one is a video and my day trading courses videos. It has nothing to do with reading at all. It looks like the Bitcoin is about to drop. You see this, guys? Bitcoin looks like it's trying to drop some more. Let's see what XRP is doing. Let me see what XRP is doing. Yeah, XRP is looking heavy. So let's see what Litecoin is doing and all these other guys is doing. I know Ethereum is probably looking crazy. Let's see what Litecoin is doing. Litecoin is at $28, guys. That's crazy, right? And the crazy thing about the bear market is it will trick you. It will make you think that we are at good prices, and it's not true. Okay, I know a lot of people swore up and down that Litecoin 200 was a good price. Okay, and then when it went to 150, they thought that was a good price. Then when it went to 130, they thought that was a good price. On and on and on and on. So that's why, you know, it's very good to learn how to read the markets, because these markets are not here to help you. Okay, these markets are here to trick you so you can lose your money. Let's see what Ethereum is doing. And please don't listen to the news. The news is just crazy. All right, Ethereum is basically just dying, guys. If you notice on my chart, I have multiple circles. I didn't notice this, but we actually hit the bottom of this circle. So basically, we hit all my targets already. We hit this target right here. We hit this target and this target. Okay. So now Ethereum has looked like it's going back all the way down here. So it went, you know, Ethereum going to of course, it looks like the next stop will be like around $90 something. But it looks like it's trying to go way, probably maybe to that 58 level. It's sad, guys. It's sad. It is sad. All right? This crypto market is sad. Bloodbath. But guys, you know, it's not the end of the world, because you can still make money. What's next to 2,900? Yeah. So basically, if we blow past that 3,000, that 2,900 is definitely coming. You know, because you know, there's no support right now. If you notice how the market is going down, it's really no support. So it looks like the market's trying to hurry up. So it's a possibility that 2,900 is you know, coming. You know, definitely is a possibility. December big BTC 1K. You know, guys, this is funny. You know why this is funny? I just thought about this when he said Bitcoin is going to 1K. Guys, this is actually funny. I just thought about this. All right. And what's up with that guy Crypto R Us, man? That guy should be. That guy should. Everybody on his channel should unsubscribe from that guy. Now, you know what's funny, guys? I'm just noticing, guys. You know what's funny? I hope you guys are still with me. Okay, I know it's 10:20, but it is the weekend, so you know I'm quite sure some of you guys don't have to work tomorrow. All right. You know, guys, you know what's funny? Right now, look at this, guys. Remember last year, right? Guys, look at this. I want you guys to see this. Remember last year, around November 10th, November 12th, we had this crazy spike. You see this, guys? Guys, this is crazy right here. Okay, look at this. We had this crazy spike to the upside, right? Around November 12th, right? Now look at this, guys. It looked like the opposite is going on right now, okay? Around November 12th this year, we're having a crazy spike to the downside. So, guys, this could be an ugly ride, guys. It could be the opposite of last year, okay? This whole crazy nonsense that we're seeing right now could be the opposite of last year, okay? So, guys, put on your seatbelts. This might be a crazy ride, okay? I told you guys what I think Bitcoin is going to go. And, you know, just have your seatbelts on, guys. Have your seatbelts on. Guys, also, if you're watching my stream for the first time, definitely hit that subscribe button, because over here, all we focus on is making money. Okay, go up in my live stream. You see my students posting gains. Okay, these guys are up. A lot of people are making money from these cells right here. So if you're tired of your crazy YouTuber telling you, hey man, buy the dips, or hey man, we're going to the moon, you know, this channel will help you a lot and bring everything to you know, everything. It would bring everything to you know, I guess I would make you understand the market and understand how everything really works, and so you guys can actually either save money or make money. Okay, and like I said, my ultimate goal with this channel is actually have you guys eventually quit your job. Okay, that's why I came out with a day trading course, even though you guys been begging me with that for that course. I came out with a day trading course showing you guys how to day trade the futures market, crude oil, okay, S&P, all those markets, because like I said, my main goal is to have you guys quit your job. All right, your job is a trap. It is what it is. Okay, your 9 to 5 is a trap. You do not want to work at your 9 to 5 until 65 years old. You do not want to do that. Okay, don't ever think about that. Let me see here. Let me see here. So why you guys laughing? I see you guys laughing. What is so funny? I see Matt. You know, I see a lot of people laughing. I see Businessman laughing, Dom laughing. I guess he said you bought all the dips, now you got no chips. I don't know what you guys laughing about. Let me know. Let me see here. I just said I wouldn't mind buying in for $1. We mean buying in what? Maybe this is what XRP shield means by holding 20K by yeah, life changing would be, yeah, life changing as in you know, going broke. Sean said, is Neo a good buy? Nothing is a good buy right now. Okay, nothing is a good buy. You feeling some bankruptcies hitting the headlines on Monday? Possibility. Anything can hit, you know. Yeah, it's no support at all. It's blown past these stop losses. No support at all, guys. It's just going straight down. And if you are new to my channel and you're watching this channel right now, and you don't know what's going on, you know, type in questions, because I've been doing this for 11 years, and I understand. I've been basically telling my subscribers all the way since March. Okay, guys, March. Okay, actually, it was around probably the end of February, but I know for a fact around March, when we hit this, when we had this trend line right here, and the market react to this trend line and it start to sell off, I was warning people since then. I didn't like that, and I told them, you know, get ready for Bitcoin, because it might actually go to these lows again. And if it goes to these lows again, most likely it's going to continue to go down, right? And you have to understand that I had a lot of people call me crazy, curse me out, and all this extra stuff. Meanwhile, these are the same people that don't know anything about the market, right? So if you have any questions, I've been doing this for 11 years straight. Type in your questions. I know you guys have questions. I know you guys are either nervous, sad, or whatever the case is. type in your questions. All right. If you are not if you didn't subscribe yet, definitely hit that subscribe button. All right. And if you don't have my course by now, check it out. It's the best course on the crypto market, period, hands down. I have the proof to show you. My students are making a lot of money from this course. One of my students made over 21,000. Another student made 31,000. You have students that made 5,500. So check that out. Let me give you the link. And that price that you see right now is only for this live stream. So when I get off this live stream, it's going right back up to 300. So let me go to read these questions real quick. Mac said, when will it end? Mac, what I really want to do, Mac, is I actually want people, especially on my live stream, to change their way of thinking. Okay, so instead of asking when, and first of all, just to let you know that's not a bad question. Okay, so don't think that that's a bad question. It's not. Okay, but what I want you to do is I want to change your thinking, and instead of asking when, I want you to not worry about when. Okay, I want you to make money now. That's the difference. That's the difference between me and 98% of these other cryptocurrencies guys. All right, these guys are telling you to be patient and wait and buy the dips and lose money. That's what these guys are telling you to do. Be patient, wait it out, lose money. Hope for the bull market to come, but the bull market might not come in years. Okay, years with an S at the end. Years. All right. Instead of waiting for years, you can make money right now. Okay, so put it like this, Mac Profits. If you're making money right now, you wouldn't care about a bull market. Okay, you know why? Because when that bull market comes, guess what? You can make money in the bull market too. And this is what I'm trying to explain to people. Okay, if I'm making money on the downside, and then the market reverse and then turn bullish, guess what? I'm not going to get mad. I'm not going to say, man, I can't believe the market turned bullish. No, I'm going to make money to the upside too, because that's what professionals do. All right. They don't choose, or they don't pick one side and say, hey, man, I'm going to ride or die. I'm going to be, that guy that's ride or die on that one side. No, guys, it's not about bulls or bears. It's about how to make money. Okay. So I want you guys to think like a pro. I don't want you guys to be average Joe on my live stream, because I want you guys to grow. Okay. I want you guys to eventually quit your job. Bottom 3,500. No one knows the bottom. Blue Boy Analyst calling for 1,500. I believe we're going below 1,500. We cannot see 2,900, only 3,500. Gonna watch out for December 1st. Michael, I don't know if you're trolling. Michael, but be careful, okay? If you're trolling, then, because it sounds like a troll right there. You think the market is getting manipulated for the big whales to jump in cheap. Remember, when Amazon dropped 90%, then jump back up crazy. So shout out to you, Brian. That's a good question. Do I think that? No, I don't think that. Okay. The market, the whales don't care about dropping things. They don't care about that. All right. The whales is just they care about money, making money. Okay. You have to understand. In order for the whales to make money, someone has to lose money. All right. So the whales will put out false articles, news articles on purpose to get you hyped. Okay. Don't you think the whales, okay, and I have to say allegedly, okay, allegedly some of these whales are paying people to put out news articles, okay? Probably CNBC too, allegedly, okay? But you have to understand, guys, the whales don't care about the market going up or down. These guys can make money either way. And this is why I'm trying to help you guys and show you guys you could be a whale too, okay? Of course, you're not going to be a whale to the point where you can move the market, but you can be a whale to the point where, you know, you're following along, okay? You're not being that guy that's getting wrecked. You're being that guy that's actually making money, okay? Follow the whales. Follow the smart money. The whales don't care about getting cheap or no. They make money regardless. The bear market has officially just started. Just could for last few years. No, the bear market actually started this whole year. Okay, since January. Why do you charge so much for your course? I don't know what you mean. If you think $150 is a lot for a course, I'm sorry to say, but you have to, I guess, shift your belief systems and understand how things work, because I have a day trading course that's way more than 150. Okay. So you have to understand what's value. Okay. I have a student right now that made way more than what he paid for the course. Okay. So I have students right now that paid $100 for this course, or $150, and they made 10 times that much. Okay, so you can't look at the price and say, man, why so much? First of all, this is not a lot of money. That's number one. So I don't know exactly what you mean by that. Second of all, you have to understand that this is not a one-time thing and that's it. This is an asset. Okay, an asset is something that pays you over and over and over and over. Okay, so when you gain knowledge, okay, and the knowledge teach you how to make money from the markets, that's an ongoing thing. It's not something that you just make make a trade and that's it. You're done for the rest of your life. No, you can make money forever. Okay, so honestly, I should be charging way more for this course and my day trading course. Okay, I should be charging way more. I'm giving you guys breaks. Let me see. A lot of people went all in crypto. Yeah, okay. I read one guy transferred all his 401k into Bitcoin. Man, that's crazy. I don't know what's going on here. Sheesh, what's going on with my thing? Give me a second, guys. I'm trying to read these questions right here. I'm trying to figure out where I think I stopped right here. Be ready for more. Yes. Bull market is easy money. Bear market is money, easy money too, if you know how to make money. Below 1,500, yes, below 1,500. That's what I believe Bitcoin will go. Right now we at 3,600. Looks like we are going to crash some more, guys. So get ready. All right, get ready, guys. Get ready for put your seatbelt on, guys. Put your seatbelt on. Let's see what XRP is doing. XRP, it looks like is at 32 cents. And it looks like it's taking a little break right here. Hey Ben, I bought Ethereum at 1400. And look at it now. Yeah, I know, that's crazy. Let me look at Ethereum. Look at it now. He bought it at 1400. And look at Ethereum now, guys. I mean, ridiculous. 104, guys. So Adam is timed out. What Adam said? Let me see. I ain't no moon boy. I don't know what he's talking about. I'm just asking. What happened to Adam? So Adam asks, so Ben, would you buy at 43 cents? I don't know if you asking like XRP. XRP is not at 43 cents, okay? And no, I'm not buying anything, Adam. Hey, what's going on, William? I'm reading these questions. Dan said the course can change your life with the right attitude. It helped me so much. Let me give you a round of applause, Dan. Thanks a lot. Yeah, like I said, I don't know why he's saying $150 is a lot of money. I just don't get that part. You know what I'm saying? I really don't. I mean, most of you guys spend $150 one night at the movies and a dinner. Okay, if you go to the movies and you go to a dinner, you're going to spend $150. So I really don't understand that part. And number one, you know, my day trading course is way more than $150, and but it's worth it because I have people already doubled and tripled their day trading account. So it's all how you look at things. If you are into making money consistently and you want to quit your job, then you wouldn't mind paying those prices. Okay, but if you're just a guy that wants to make money easy and you don't want to do no work, then yeah, it's probably not for you. David said, what are my predictions? I don't really have no predictions. Basically, if you've been following me, you know that I've been saying that we in the bear market, and most likely we will continue to go lower. Only reason why I'm saying that is because the market itself is overvalued right now, and basically a lot of these coins are useless. It's just what it is. Okay, and not only that, the government. Okay, the government, guys, the government is in crypto right now. So that's another thing I don't like about cryptocurrencies, that the government is in the market, and that's a bad thing. Okay, that's not a good thing. Okay, now if the market was still you know, the Wild Wild West and the government wasn't involved, then I would say, hey man, we have a chance. Paul said, my first trade with Big Ben course, I made 100x on my investment. I'm very happy about his course. Let me reread that, guys, because I don't know who asked me or said that 150 was a lot, but let me read this again because most people don't understand how courses work. Okay, a course is an investment. Okay, is an asset. All right. An asset is something that pays you over and over and over and over, right? So it's not just a one-time thing and that's it. No, it's something that can pay you for life, all right? So let me read this again for people that just don't understand the concept. My first trade with Big Ben course, I made 100x, and I'm very happy about his course. Let me give him a round of applause, guys. Shout out to him. Shout out to Paul. Right now we in a bloodbath, guys. Ethereum definitely looks like it's trying to go below the $99. So guys, when we wake up tomorrow when we wake, well, I'm on the East Coast, so when I wake up tomorrow, this thing might be lower. I mean, we might have Ethereum might go down to 99. Bitcoin actually might go to 3,500. You know, it might be a bloodbath, guys. So I wonder if Monday is going to continue to sell off, guys. You see what I'm seeing, guys? It looks like we might hit that 3,500 tonight. That is crazy. Okay. And for you guys that just joining in, shout out to everybody that's here. If you're joining in, I usually don't do these live streams this long, but we selling off like crazy. And if you're just joining in, I want you to hit that subscribe button, okay? Hit that subscribe button, because I'm telling you right now, your favorite YouTuber basically been lying to you this whole year, or actually probably the whole, you know, put it like this, the whole year, all right? This guy, your favorite YouTuber, been wrong the whole year. He been losing money. I'm quite sure you've been losing money because you've been listening to these guys. I had a woman, a female actually, Miss XRP. She said that she's selling her XRP, and I'm quite sure she's mad because she probably been following these XRP YouTubers that been saying that XRP is going to go to $5, $10 by the end of this year, $5.89 by the end of this year. And these guys are just losers, guys. Complete losers. Do not follow a loser that don't know what he's talking about. You following teenagers that just got into the market. They don't know anything about the markets. They got lucky last year, and now they think they are some type of a genius. These guys think they're genius because they got lucky last year. Guys, come on. You guys are smarter than that. Stop letting these YouTubers fool you. Let them prove to you that they do this full time, guys. Go on my channel right now. Click on my channel and you will see me trade live with live money, making money, okay, from what I do full time. These guys can't do that. What they can do, you know, what they will do is they will read you good news. They will do that. They will do that real quick. Oh, I got some good news, guys. You want to hear it? You want to hear it? They will do that real quick. Other than that, they can't show you nothing. All right, somebody said it just broke 35. Sheesh. Damn. Damn, bruv. You see this? You see this? And this is why I've been hard on you guys all year. Okay? I mean, all November. I've been hard on you guys. So RL Investment sounds like a loser. Definitely a loser. Okay. Because he's trolling. Wasteland said, if you can't afford $150, crypto gain isn't for you. Oh, let me give him that bomb, bro. Bruv, let me give you that bomb once again, bruv. Wasteland. I'm actually mad, Wasteland, that I never thought about that, Wasteland. I'm mad. Man, I'm actually mad that I never thought about that. That's a great comeback, right? Bro, if you can't afford $150, what are you doing in the game in the first place? That's a great comeback. All right? And that's the same thing with day trading, okay? I have a day. If you think 150 is a lot, I have a day trading course that costs way more than this. All right? And it's worth every penny. Ask my students that that's in a clash right now. These guys are tripling and doubling their investments the first week. So if you guys are complaining about that, then yes, you shouldn't be definitely in the game. You shouldn't be in the game. All right, so let me see. My portfolio went down, but I'm actually up 1,000 today. Mikey Diamonds, guys. Mikey Diamonds is actually one of my students, and he's up $1,300 today. And you complaining about 150? You complaining about 150, and this dude, my student, Mikey Diamonds, is up $1,300. You see how that works, guys? You see how that works? Okay? Stop thinking about the original price, because the original price is just an investment. Okay? The knowledge is going to help you make money over and over and over and over. Let me give him that bomb. Shout out to Mikey Diamonds. I appreciate it. Do you have any thoughts about pushing below the last support of 2,500? David, I believe Bitcoin will go under 1,000. Okay? Yes, I said that right. 1,000. I believe Bitcoin will go under 1,000. The reason why I believe that, because the average Joe, they don't think Bitcoin will never ever hit 1,000. So that's why I'm saying that. Okay? I don't want to think like the average Joe. The average Joe is a loser. All right? You have to understand that. This is why I continue to make videos trying to help you guys out. All right? You guys cannot think like an average Joe. You have to think like a whale. Okay? The whale wants to wipe these guys out. That's why I tell you guys, stop buying the dips. Let me see. Shout out to Adam. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Adam, you was on timeout, I remember. Thanks a lot for sticking by. Like I said, thanks a lot for sticking by, Adam. Let me see here. David said he just subbed. Thanks a lot, David. And anybody else that's watching me for the first time, hit that subscribe button, because over here, guys, I don't care about no crazy, stupid news. Like, bro, I don't, guys, you really have to understand. I've been doing this for a long time, and I had to learn how all this stuff works. Like, you realize that some of your coins or some of your stocks, they get good news, and the next day it drops and it sells off. You have to ask yourself, why is that? Why does your favorite coin get good news but somehow sells off? That doesn't make sense, right? I know it doesn't make sense, because the market itself doesn't make sense. Okay? And this is why you really have to understand how to read the charts, because if you don't, you're going to be that guy, you're going to be that guy that said, hey, man, I bought the dip and I'm losing money. Binance is down. So Binance is so, guys, let me explain to you guys, please. You heard it here first, guys. If you have a lot of money in these crypto exchanges, please do not have all your money in your exchanges. So if you're making money right now, you always want to withdraw your money, take profits. Don't have all your wealth in these crypto exchanges, because I believe it's going to come to a point where they're going to freeze a lot. Okay, they're going to freeze crypto trading, or they're going to freeze exchanges. A lot of stuff is going to just freeze up. All right, so let me see here. Let me read these comments. RL said, if you're so good at what you do, if you're so good at what you do, you don't need to talk so bad about other people. RL, number one, okay, I don't talk bad about no one. Okay, I only get aggressive with trolls like yourself. All right, just because you come on my live stream and you feel that you can say anything and think I won't say nothing back, that's your fault. That's your fault. Okay, I don't have to answer to nobody. YouTube could close down right now. Okay, and I'm good because I don't rely on YouTube. All right, but you come on my live stream, you think you can say anything you want, and I'm not gonna say nothing. No, I'm gonna call you a loser, and I'm gonna say you're gonna continue to lose because you have a losing mentality. All right, suck it up. It's your fault that you're down, and you don't want to admit it. So you want to take your anger and basically point it my way. Binance network unavailable. Please refresh. Try again. Wow, that's crazy. Dudes complain about 150 and yet they buy the dips in the bear market. Let me give you that. Let me give you that bomb button. That is so true, bro. That is so true. Paul is another. Paul, you said idiot streaming to 86 people. I don't know if you're calling me an idiot. If I'm an idiot, I don't know why you're here. Okay. Okay. Paul sounds like another loser. When is the you said pump? There's no pump. Adam said, I messed with you, bro. Not my first time at all. I hear you, man. Yeah. Like I said before, Adam, I didn't time you out. I don't know what happened. I know you was asking, a question. I think you probably cursed or something. So that's probably why you got timed out. Let me see here. Brian said, if you don't have 150 right now, I don't know what that means. Let me see. Can I still have 150 price after the payday? If you catch me, Brian, if you catch me on live, okay, so if you catch me live, yeah, you can still get the 150 price because that's only during live I turn it to 150. So okay, so when I get off of this, it's gonna go right back to 300. Okay, and some people email me and say, hey man, why is the price 300? Because that's 150 is only on live. What it would take for another coin to dominate crypto? David, I don't know because right now the crypto market is in a shaky or a crazy situation right now. Okay, I'm not that bullish when it comes to the crypto market right now. Okay, because I see the bigger picture. I see the bigger picture. All right, the bigger picture is the government is in the doors now. So, people really don't understand how much that counts. Like most people really don't understand. Like that's a big deal. The government is in. That's a real big deal. Okay. Do you think Bitcoin Cash can be top one in the future? I don't think so. Nah, I don't think so. Bitcoin Cash, nah. Sean says, suck it up, RL Investments. You said you talk bad about other YouTubers, putting other YouTubers down. Yes, I will. RL Investments, I will talk bad about other YouTubers because you know why? These guys are making innocent people lose money. All right? Innocent people. So I don't care what you say. All right? RL Investments, you are a loser. All right? And if there's people out here that's making people lose money, I'm going to call them out. Because these guys been wrong the whole year. Just like you. You've been losing the whole year. You're a loser. And the reason why I'm calling you a loser is because you're a troll. And let me give you that loser button. All right? I'm a loser. You have to understand, there's people out here losing their hard-earned money just because these stupid YouTubers. Man, this drop is for real. Yes. T-Lo said Binance is working fine. Bitcoin has failed. Money and store value. The crypto market, the crypto market right now is just in a shaky position right now, guys. The crypto market is shaky right now. And guys, I don't like what I see. Like I said, guys, my overall thing, I don't like what I see because the government is in. All right? The government is in the market. Okay, and it's crazy how people, matter of fact, and I hate saying this, but you have people like RL Investments coming on my live stream, and these guys are not even in the position to talk. Bro, I know your portfolio is down probably 80 or 90% or even more. You're not even in a position to talk trash, bro. Brian said, what can the government do to the market? The government could actually shut down a lot, all right, and make it slower. Okay, so what the government would do is basically do what they do best is, create regulations and basically make you go through a lot of hoops, and those regulations will slow down the market. It has nothing to do with the government. Bitcoin is worth nothing. The government didn't need anything to do anything. Bitcoin is self-employing. Don't blame the failure your favorite toy on someone else. Paul, like I said, I think Paul's a troll too, because I think someone timed him out. I don't know, Paul, you're a troll, but it has a lot to do with the government, because you have to understand the market was going up crazy when everything was the Wild Wild West. Okay, remember, for a good 10 years the government wasn't involved at all. Bitcoin itself, an unregulated cryptocurrency. Think about it for a second, guys. Bitcoin is unregulated, going up to 20,000. The government is seeing people making all this money. They had to stop this. The government had to stop this. They had to say, you know what? These guys are making too much money. Let me shut this down and calm these guys down. All right? You hear, Paul? You don't have to understand me. I predicted this crash since December. Paul, go on my video and look at my videos. I talked about a crash in December too. So what do you want? You want some cookies? You want a juice? Huh, Paul? You want juice and cookies? Because I did the same thing. So what do you want? What do you want from me? You want a star? You want me to give you a hat? Mark said win Lambo. Mark, win Honda. Okay, win bicycle. Okay, RL Investments is out of here. I can't deal with a guy like him. He's a loser. He said this guy is nothing but a trash talker and a bully. No, I don't bully people, bro. I only talk bad to the trolls. You guys really don't understand, okay? You are a troll. I'm trying to have a good conversation with people that's actually people that want to learn, and you guys are messing up the flow. So I have to get you guys out of here and call you guys losers because you are messing up the flow. You have to understand, this is not a game, guys. This is not a game. You have people losing their hard-earned money. Okay? You have to understand that, guys. People are losing their hard-earned money, and you have trolls that come on my thing. Okay? Like Paul. Paul's another troll. I can't go back and forth with these guys because I'm here trying to do something that's different than most of these YouTubers. Okay, these YouTubers are not trying to look to save you and help you. Okay, these YouTubers are here to tell you to buy the dips. Don't worry, everything's gonna be okay. Meanwhile, a guy like me, I've been right on the money this whole year and last year. Okay, so just think about this for a second, guys. All right, for all you guys that are watching me right now, shout out to everybody that's watching me right now. I appreciate all you guys. If you're new to my live stream, I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys watching me right now. Okay, so let me explain to you if you really never watched any of my videos. Let me explain to you what happened last year. Okay, last year I was bullish this, bullish that. XRP bullish, Tron bullish, Bitcoin bullish, Litecoin bullish, right? Go to my videos. You'll see, all right? Now, when the market started to pull back a lot and then showed resistance at this trend line, that's when I told you guys, bro, I don't like what I see. You know, the market looks like it's changing and it looks like it's headed for these lows again, and most likely it's going to continue to go down, right? And meanwhile, while I'm saying that, I told you guys, hey guys, in the meantime, you guys can still make money from the market dropping. Okay, so I saved you guys money. I helped you make money, right? And meanwhile, your other favorite crypto YouTuber is telling you to buy the dip, and you're losing money from him. The reason why you're losing money is because that guy is not a professional. Right now, guys, right now, this is not a time to be laughing. Right, this is not time to be laughing and trolling. Like, this is why I can't deal with the trolls right now, because this is not a time to troll. Okay, there's people out here losing their hard-earned money. People right now are stressed out and they can't really go to sleep right now. And you got people trolling, thinking that it's funny. Guys, it's not funny. All right? I really want to see you guys either save money or make money. It's just what it is. All right? I don't care if you don't buy my course. You know how many times I said that, guys? I don't care if you buy my course. I'm so happy that, you know, you guys are at least saving money, okay? If you can save money, I'd be so happy, guys. You don't understand. Because I've been through this already. I've been through a bear market. You can learn from my mistakes. All right? Let's see if you guys have any questions. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, because, guys, over here, I only focus on the charts, and I only focus on making money now. All right? So let me repeat that. For anybody that's on my live stream right now, hit that subscribe button, because I only focus on making money now. I don't care about 5 years from now. I don't care about 2 years from now. I don't care about 10 years, 20 years. I don't care about none of that stuff. You know why? Because one day when I was around 22 years old, I said, my life is messed up. Something is wrong. I need to change my life, okay? And what I decided to do is I said, you know what? I'm going to study the rich. The rich, those are the guys I want to be like, all right? These guys are not waiting 20, 40 years to make money. No, these guys are making money now, okay? So that's why I focus on, guys. I focus on making money now. If you are interested in that, definitely hit that subscribe button, because I don't care about 2 years from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. I don't care about that, guys. That's not going to help you, okay? That's not going to help you 2 years from now. What's 5 years from now? Bro, first of all, you don't even know if your coin is going to be around 2 years from now. That's a gamble you're willing to take, right? Now look at this Bitcoin, 3,500. 3,500, and you think I got time for trolls? No, I don't have time for trolls. This is not a joke, guys. All right, this is not a joke. All right, I really, really, really want you guys to at least save some money, so if you want to wait for that bull market, you can wait for that bull market, but at least you can save money, okay? Now, if you want to take it to the next level and say, hey, man, I want to make money from this too, then, hey, be my guest. Okay, but this is not a game, guys. I'm not here to be joking. Like, ha, ha, ha. No, it's not a ha, ha, ha moment, guys. All right? I've been doing this for 11 years. I'm trying to help you guys out. Now, look at this. I'm gonna point this out once again, guys. All right? I'm going to point this out once again for you guys that just tuning out. All right? I'm going to show you guys what I noticed. This is crazy, right? Last year, we had in November, around November 10th, November 11th, 12th, we had a crazy bull run, okay? Look at this, crazy bull run, all right? Now, notice that this year, around November 12th, right, around the same time, it's doing the same thing, but it's doing it in the opposite direction, okay? We having a crazy down move, right? So this thing could last, or this thing could go crazy, guys. It could be this reverse of this. So put your seatbelt on, guys. All right, this could be a crazy ride. I don't want you guys to get caught out here. You know, these whales out here, they don't care, man. They will take your money in a second, right? These YouTubers, they are clueless. These guys don't make any money, period, okay? I have videos showing you proof that I make money from the markets. What else do you need from me? All right. What else? Let me see if I see any questions here. Okay. Now Mark is probably trolling. That's why he's getting deleted. Let me see here. David said, I love this guy. Your account is lit, man. Shout out to you, David. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it, bro. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot for stopping by. YouTubers pick bottoms getting, yes, exactly, guys. So if you're just joining my live stream, I talked about something that these YouTubers do, okay? They trap you, okay? Now, how the trap works, it basically, this is how it works, okay? They will give you, or they will feed you that false hope, okay? Because they know that most of your guys are down maybe 70%, 80%, 90%, okay? They know you're down that much. So what they would do is they will feed you hope. How they do that is they will create videos talking about, hey, man, this might be the bottom, okay? Because they know that you want it to be the bottom because you're down so much. They know that. So they would feed you. They would keep on feeding you these bottom videos. Guys, this could be the bottom. Guys, this could be the bottom. Guys, I think this is the bottom, guys. Guys, you see this? I think this is the bottom. It's a trap, guys. It's a hope trap. Okay? And not only that, they will feed you news every single day. Guys, I got some good news for you. You want to hear it? Come on, guys. Come closer. Come closer. Hear this. Okay? Turn up your volume. I got some good news for you guys. And they will give you good news every single day. Meanwhile, your guys' portfolio is going down, 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 and down. Guys, this is not... I don't do that over here, guys. I don't feed you that BS. You know how many people unsubscribe from me? because I'm telling the truth. You know how many people, guys, I've been telling you guys, hey man, you can make money going short the market, or I'd be saying, hey guys, this market is so weak that I can see this thing going down even more. A lot of people got pissed off about me. I mean, pissed off with me because I was telling the truth. And the only reason why I was saying that stuff is because I've been doing this for 11 years. I can see, you can look at this, how obvious this was. It was a big down movement, consolidation, and a break. That is so obvious. But no, people calling triple bottoms, inverse head and shoulders, lower lows. Come on, guys, ridiculous. Let's see. Let's go back to let's go back to these questions. And like I said, guys, please don't let these YouTubers trick you. They will trick you with news. They will trap you with news. Okay, they would give you good news every single day. They would trap you with these bottom videos. Hey guys, this is the bottom. They would trap you with saying, hey guys, don't worry, don't panic. They would trap you with that. Okay, all that stuff is a trap. You know why it's a trap? Because it will give you false hope so you can continue to watch their videos. All right. Let me see here. Let me see. Like me personally, guys, I don't give you false hope. You can either like me or you can unsubscribe. I'm cool with that. Okay, I don't make my money from YouTube. Go click on my channel. You'll see how I make my money. Okay, you will see me trading live. Okay, click on my channel. You'll see it. All right, so first time here. What do you think about the market when back enters? Back is, first of all, I don't think back will probably come in on the market. So that delay tells me that it's a strong possibility that back might not come in, period. Okay, actually, it's no contract that says back has to enter in the market. So back really doesn't have to come in the crypto market. Okay, honestly, I think it was all set up from the word go. Okay, I think it was a setup. Most people don't think that, but I think that. I think it's a setup. I think all this stuff, all this crypto, Fidelity, Wall Street coming in, all that stuff, I think that was a setup. Okay, until I see these guys really come in, I'm starting to think that this is a setup. That these guys really wasn't going to come in, and they knew that the market was going to go down. Okay, now let's say that the back does enter, it still doesn't matter. Okay, we are in a bear market. The market will crash in 2019. It's just the beginning. I don't mean only crypto with, yeah. So the stock market and all that stuff, yeah, they might crash too. Okay. Big Al said, Big Ben is the real deal, man. Shout out to you, Big Al. Appreciate it, bro. Let me give you that. Let me give you that bomb. If I can find it. Let me read these questions real quick. Let me give Big Al that bomb button. Thanks a lot, Al. Appreciate it. If I can get this, yeah, here we go. If I can get this thing to work, I don't know if this thing is acting up right now. There we go. Shout out to Big Al. Appreciate it, bro. All right, I'm about to get out of here soon. Let me see here. 102, guys. You see that? The stream is 102. And this is legit, okay? This is legit viewers. Shout out to everybody that's watching. I have 102. It looks like 102 right now watching. Shout out to everybody. Let me give you guys a round of applause for watching, because I'm glad. I'm glad 102 people are watching, because I can, tell you guys the truth. Okay, these other YouTubers not going to tell you the truth because they scared that people will unsubscribe. Guys, I don't care. I told you guys from, since November, right? I'm going to be hard on you guys because I don't care if everybody unsubscribe. Okay? I don't make my money from YouTube. So I'm going to continue to tell you the truth, no matter if you don't like it or not. Okay, it's called tough love. That's what it's called. Okay, it's a guy that's been doing this for a long time. I can see it. You can just basically see it. It's like it's like, you know, when you do stuff for a long time, and you just have, you can just see things before it happens. Like, I can see this. Like, this was so obvious. This is why I've been warning my subscribers, bro, please do not buy the dips. That's like, complete suicide. Let me see here. You said explain the concept of Bitcoin Cash. Why do you want me to explain the concept of Bitcoin Cash? I'm trying to figure out that David. I'm trying to figure that out. You said Bitcoin Cash ABC SUV caused this. No, it didn't cause this. People will love to blame it on Craig Wright and all these craziness, but no. This market was going to continue to go down regardless. I told you guys, like I said, a lot of you guys is new to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button right now. Let me say that again, guys. If you're new to my channel, actually, let me give you a round of applause. Anybody that's watching my channel right now and you're new, let me give you a round of applause. But if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button right now, because over here, guys, I only tell you the truth. I don't care about trying to sound smart. I don't care about that. Sounding smart, guys, is not going to put money in your pocket. Okay, so let me repeat that again. Sounding smart is not going to put money in your pocket, guys. Putting money in your pocket is going to, it requires knowing how things work, okay? I have 11 years of experience. I don't care about sounding smart. All I care about is, hey, guys, listen. If you don't want to get wrecked, stop buying the dips. Now, if you want to make more money than that, okay, some of you guys just want to save money, fine. If you just want to save money, that's cool. I'm cool with that, okay? But if you want to actually take it to the next level, then, guys, you can make money now by shorting the market, okay? Let's see here. Ben is right. Put on your seatbelts. Put on the, yes, man. Shout out to you, Keith. Shout out to you. Good to see you here, Keith. When do you expect a complete collapse? That's a great question. It's hard to tell. It's very hard to tell, because this market is the reason why, and a lot of people are going to call this a complete collapse, but not, guys. It's not. This is not it. Okay, because the reason why this is not it, because this force is actually coming from the breakout. Okay, we've been consolidating for a long time, so you have to expect this type of force, to the downside. Okay, now when we have that complete wipeout, I don't know. It's just very hard to tell. All right, reading these questions right here, and guys, if you're new to this, if you're new to this, what do you call this live stream right now, if you have any questions, type in your questions, because I know for a fact some of you guys is probably down a lot. Okay, so you have questions. I've been doing this for 11 years, so type in your questions. All right. Let's see here. Let's see here. Let me read these questions real quick. Listen to the man. We are awake. Thanks, Ben. Shout out to you, Mikey Diamonds. Mikey Diamonds is actually one of my students, and he's up. What is it? 1,300 today. 1,300, guys. And this is what I'm talking about. Okay, he's up 1,300, and this is exactly what I'm talking about. I'm trying to show you guys that I don't care about 2 years from now, 5 years from now, 8 years from now, 20 years from now, guys. I'm about making money now. Okay, that's what the rich is doing, right? So why not me? Why not me? Why do I have to wait? Okay, I'm into making money now. Why do I have to wait? Why do I have to wait 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 years from now? Why? Let's see here. You say crypto's a team and project. Let me read that. With that, crypto is a team in a project market. There you go. Crypto, nothing more than the market. We are no. You said more than the markets we know our whole life. You agree with me? I'm trying to figure out what you said, or what you're trying to say, but I think I know what you're saying. Basically, crypto market is just a market where, you know, it's new, okay? It's trying to grow, but the thing with the crypto market is it's a market that having a hard time finding users. Okay, we have to have users using the coin. Okay, that's the main point. If we just have people just holding these coins, it's going to be very hard for the market to grow. We have to move these coins back and forth. Businessman said, I'm about milk and cookies. For Fun says, subscribe. Let me give him a round of applause, guys. Thanks a lot. And anybody else that's new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, because I know I don't care what no one says. I don't care what no one says. I know you're tired of seeing the market goes down. I don't care what no one says. All right. Armand said it's done. Nah, it's not done at all. Oh, you talking about you believe Bitcoin will go under? Okay, I see what you're talking about. Yeah, me personally, I believe Bitcoin will hit crazy target, like, you know, 1,000 and under. Okay, under 1,000. Shout out to Golden Arm. He said Bit gone. Oh man, that's funny. Bit gone. That's funny, bro. Let me give him a round of applause for that super chat, though. Thanks a lot, bro. Let me see here. 3,200 is the bottom. For Fun, 32 bottom. Nah, I think, you know, I definitely think it's gonna go lower than that. It's very hard to time the bottom. I'm not really into bottoms at all. That's a dangerous game. That's why the Wells is having fun right now. They're having fun taking a lot of people money that's trying to buy the bottom. So I wouldn't try to time the bottom at all. Does your course deal with handling taxes from profits? So basically, this course is strictly, you know, a course that shows you how to get in the market, how to exit. Basically shows you everything about how to make money from the markets. If you want to learn about taxes, you have to speak to your attorney. I don't, you know, I'm not licensed, you know, when it comes to that. So I don't know anything. So you would have to speak to your attorney. Okay. Now, anybody that's new to my live stream, if you don't know what he's talking about this course right here. This is the best course on the market because I have proof to show you guys. Okay. My students are making money from this course right here. And also I have a day trading course, but that's day trading the future market, a whole different beast. If you guys are interested in that, you can actually email me for that. But this course right here, a lot of if you go to these testimonials, all these testimonials of people making money. Okay, all these testimonials that you see, these are testimonials right here. It starts from right here. All from down here, these are people making money, okay? We got people making 2,000, 4,000, 5,000, 1,500, 15,000, 20,000. And my day trading course actually just came out too. That course is no joke. That course will put you in a different level when it comes to day trading, and you will see how these Wall Street guys make money. Let me see, guys. Let me read these questions real quick. Fam, you're from New York City? Yeah, of course, paper. Paper, yes, I'm from New York all day. I'm quite sure you hear the accent. Let me see here. What are my current positions? I don't have any current positions right now in the crypto market. I'm pretty much heavily invested in the crude oil. Okay, so I day trade the crude oil Monday to Friday. COS said charts are useless for Bitcoin because they don't account for the inevitable real. What this guy talking about, guys? So you said that the charts are useless, and so let me ask you this, COS: why people like me and my students is making money? All right. Coinbase will be going down. Coinbase will be bankrupt. Yeah, you know what? That's a good thing. Okay, I mean that's a good point. I you know, honestly, I could definitely see that. So that's why I tell you guys, if you have a lot of money in these exchanges, guys, please do not put all your money in these exchanges. Okay, please. Oh, so these guys right here is trolling. Shout out to all my mods. Keith said, dreaming about the moons and Lambos is easy, but prepare for work your butt off and learn how the market works. Big Ben. Let me give him a round of applause, guys. Keith is actually one of my students. Keith has the crypto course, and he has the day trading course, and actually he started the day trading course not too long ago. He went live last week. He already doubled his account. So shout out to him. He's making his money. He's making his Wall Street money, and I'm glad to show you guys how to make money from that day trading. Let me see here. No one wants to use just hold. Yeah, I know, man. It's crazy. Carlos said it's over. Yeah, right now, man, it's just selling off like crazy, bro. All right, I'm about to get out of here, but I appreciate everybody stopping by. I definitely didn't want to have a stream this long, but since I have a lot of people watching, I really wanted to tell you guys the truth, because these YouTubers are out of control, okay? These YouTubers are out of control, lying to you guys, telling you to buy the dips, saying that everything will be okay. Stop lying, okay? Telling you to be patient, lose money. That's what they basically saying. Guys, be patient, lose money, buy the dips. And these guys are stupid because they don't do this full time. And I don't like people that make innocent, human beings lose money. Like, guys, I understand how hard it is to make money, so I don't want you guys to lose it. That's why I don't like these YouTubers like that, because a lot of these YouTubers know that the market will continue to go down, and they tell you to buy the dips. Who knew? Get ready for XRP under penny. Who knew said, sorry, my English is not the best, Dutch. Who knew? I don't know. I don't see what he said. I'm reading these questions. I'm about to get out of here, though. Ah, boy. Do you still believe in do you still believe in every year crypto follows the same pattern? No, I don't believe that. I think crypto is going to have a tough bear market. Okay, this market might be in a bear market for years, guys. Years, okay? Maybe 5 years plus, all right? Now, I'm about to get out of here, guys. Once again, if you don't have this course, check it out. Like I said before, that 150 is only that live stream price. If you want to pay that full price, go ahead. The full price is 350. I mean 300. If you want to pay that price, go ahead. All right. But I appreciate everybody coming through tonight. I am tired right now. It's 11:30 p.m. Eastern time where I'm at, so I'm getting a little tired. But let me give you guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Like I said before, guys, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, because I know, I don't care what no one says, I know you're tired of this roller coaster ride, okay? You are tired of this roller coaster. So I'm here to guide you guys. I'm here to give you that professional help, because you're going to need professional help, guys. I don't care what no one said. You're going to need professional help in these markets. Because if you're going to be that guy that just guess and buy the bottoms, you're going to get wrecked. Okay? You're going to need professional help. And I'm that guy, guys. I'm that guy. I've been doing this for so long. I understand these markets. But guys, again, thanks a lot for stopping by. I appreciate it. You know, I hope you guys learn a lot. I hope you guys try or are going to try to improve. Okay, because that's what life is about, guys. Life is about improving. Okay, if you're a guy that's buying and holding and you want to hodl, you'll go ahead and hodl. You know, I have no problem with that. But I do have a problem if you're hodling, you don't want to improve and learn and take things to the next level. Okay, I have a lot of people that hodl and they don't want to learn nothing else. They just want to sit back and think they're going to collect $1 million. Bro, I don't think you really understand, okay, what a bear market is about. The bear market is about cleaning out, cleaning shop, okay, getting rid of a lot of these coins. So your favorite coin might not make it through this bear market. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys, okay? So stop waiting for that bull market, because your favorite coin might not even make it. Okay, it might flatline and never go back up. Okay, so stop thinking that you okay, and stop thinking that your buy and hold is 100% guaranteed. All right, it's not. And what I'm trying to help you guys is to help you grow as an individual, as an investor, as a trader. Okay, so you can take your financial level to the financial education to the next level. Let me see here. Let me see if I grab one more question before I leave. Let me see. Driving Hot said, "Don't leave us, please." Right now it's 11:36 p.m. So I ain't gonna lie, bro. I think I'm 3 hours in. I think I started the live at 8 o'clock. So I ain't gonna lie. I'm tired, bro. I'm not, trust me. I don't want to leave, but I'm tired right now. This crash, crypto needed, yes. So basically what he's saying is we need crashes. We need this crash because there's a lot of coins right now that's overvalued, and I truly believe that. Okay, in order to wipe these coins out, the market has to go down. It's just how it works. Okay, it's no other way for the market to wipe out these coins if it doesn't go down. Okay, it has to go down. So that's why I shake my head at these crazy YouTubers that tell me to buy the dips. They don't realize that, bro, these coins have to, a lot of these coins have to get wiped out. So stop buying these dips. Goodness gracious. All right, so let me get out of here. I'm trying to grab one more question. If Bitcoin falls to 1,000, then the whole market cap will be under 30 billion. Yes, okay. This whole market cap, let's get ready for a rough ride. Okay, a lot of these coins is going to be flatlining. Ahmad said, this man know what he's talking about. heed his advice, please. Shout out to you, man. I appreciate it, bro. Crypto need regulation. Sorry, but it's the truth. Yes and no. Okay, yes and no. Honestly, I don't like the government coming in crypto. It's just what it is. Okay, I don't like it. I think it's gonna mess up everything. But anyway, guys, shout out to everything. I mean, shout out to everybody that's here. JR said, "Damn, I need your help. I'm staying strong. We'll be checking in." Yes. So, guys, if you have any questions, okay, if you have any questions, you know, I have this course right here. If you have a question about this course or the day trading course, I have a day trading course where I teach people how to day trade the futures, okay, crude oil, S&P, NASDAQ, Dow. Okay, if you have questions about that, email me, okay? Talk to you guys later. Please, please, guys, I'm going to beg you once again. I'm going to beg you again, guys. Please, please, please do not buy these dips, okay? Please, please, please do not buy these dips, guys. You're just going to be wasting money. Talk to you guys later. Make sure you improve, okay? Life is about improving, guys. It is what it is, okay? Let me give you guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot, guys, for stopping by. I appreciate everything, okay? It is good, okay? It is good to know that there are good human beings out in this world, okay? It's good to know that there are good human beings in this world. So shout out to everybody that's on my live stream right now. All you guys are good, okay? You guys are good human beings. We do have some trolls here and there, and that's why I had to block these guys. But overall, you guys are good human beings. So shout out to you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thanks a lot. Like I said, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Talk to you guys later. We might wake up because right now I'm on the east side, so I might wake up tomorrow. And this thing, I don't know if this thing want to go lower or not. But we already hit that 3,500, so we probably don't want to go lower. But we will definitely see. Talk to you guys later, and have a great day. Okay, have a great night.